Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and import music from the internet. So you're going to go to your web browser, recommend Google Chrome, and then you're going to search up the song. So you're going to go to Hopex. Let's just say Home. I know that's a song. I haven't listened to it, but here it is. Here's the song. You might see some other stuff here, but you're going to go to the song. And then once you find your song, there's going to be a download link, hopefully. And then you're just going to click on the link. And then it's going to show you some options here from YouTube, iTunes, some other stuff. If you wanted to get it custom on your computer, like have an actual download file, just click free download. And then it should start downloading down here. When it's done with that, you can just close everything out. Okay. But once it's downloaded, click show in folder. You go on X Google Chrome out. Here's gonna be your file that you just downloaded. So what you're gonna do, as long as you have iTunes on your computer, you can click open with, then iTunes is here. And if it's not, then you can just like go through here and find it. And if it's not here, download it. But iTunes, X that out. Then here's your song. There you guys go. I hope you liked this video. Oh, and another thing. If you have your phone connected to it, once it connects, once it's done syncing or whatever, you can actually take this, click album info, and then you can just like add the title and stuff. Just put that there. And then once it's all the way connected, drag it to your phone. And then I'm looking at my phone right now. It's syncing to my phone right now. I'll play it. There we go. It's done. And that is the tutorial for today. Hope you guys liked the video. Peace.